the text has something called color property. Now, when I say text, text alone doesn't has a specific element for that. So a text could be anything like the text inside a div, or text inside the heading tags, text inside a table tag, or text inside the paragraph tag, even the text in ordered list, unordered list, and the list itself. These are all text, right? So this text has a property called color. So you could always give a color property for the text. So you can give in plain English colors, which happens like this. Or you could give the RGB that we saw in other videos. 255, 55, 5. So that's a mix, right? Okay. So this is a mix, or you could give hex values. Or you could give hue values. Sorry, HSL values. Now you could give the color of the text any way you want, all these three ways, but the color property itself, it can be applied to any element, not just the div or h1 specifically. It could be applied to any element that shows text. So any element like ordered list, unordered list, paragraph, anchor tag, any element that has a text, you could apply the color property, which pretty much means that it's a text color property.